Good afternoon to all of you. This is my first class with you all. The subject code is 402 and the subject is Information Technology. From this subject, we are going to discuss the Unit 1 of Part B, that is Introduction to IT and IT Enabled Services Industry. We are going to learn some more things like definition of ICT and IT, Information Technology Enabled Services, and applications of IT. First, we are going to see what is ICT and what is IT. ICT can be defined as the system of technologies, tools, and devices that are used to transmit, process, store, create, display, share, or exchange information by electronic means. IT refers to the use of computers and other resources to create, store, manage, and exchange all kinds of information. Next, we are going to discuss about the IT-enabled services. These IT-enabled services are those services where information technology is used. There are many services, but we are going to discuss some which are commonly used services, and all of you know about this. So let us start with the first service. The first service that I am going to discuss is call center. A call center is a service center which is used to provide information and support to a customer. It has trained consultants, high quality telecom facilities, access to internet and other online information. This call center is nowadays it's very common, and all the government setup or private companies need call center so that they can help their customers. For example, students, if you see this in today's date or in the situation of COVID-19, you are familiar with a number that is 104. Whenever you call to 104, somebody will pick up the phone and they will give the required information, or they will take the information which is given by you. So whenever you are calling to 104, from where they are answering? They are answering from a call center where there is a huge setup is there. There are many trained consultants, those who are sitting there, and they are giving the required information to you. And this call center, it's not only important in government sector, but it's also important in case of private sector. Next, we are going to discuss about BPO, that is Business Process Outsourcing. To understand this, let us consider a scenario of an online shopping site. Students, if you see online shopping sites, there are many departments that they have to handle. So some of the departments or some of the parts of the business, it has to be given to a certain expert or a team of expert who can handle it in a better manner. Like, they must have customer support, they must have IT help desk, they must have the telemarketing services. Like, for example, if any customer is having some problem regarding online transaction, then the customer support will help. Then suppose the website it is crashed due to something, then they need IT help desk so that they can rectify it as soon as possible. Then telemarketing services, if you see, sometimes in case of telemarketing services, we used to get some calls from some that we are offering this, we are giving this, please take this, we have some offers for you. So those kind of things are said. So when one company is run, so it is those tasks are divided, or those tasks are given to a particular team in a contract basis so that they can work it perfectly. And this process of dividing different kind of tasks to a team of experts is called business process outsourcing. Next, we are going to discuss about BPM, that is business process management. It is a process-centric approach for improving business performance that combines information technology with a standard methodology. It's an ongoing process. So to understand this, we have to understand the BPM cycle. So the first step is design. In the design phase of the project, the process is designed in a simple manner so that it can be completed in a minimum amount of time, or you can say it can be completed in within a short span of time. Next step is the modeling. In the modeling phase, they will try different kind of situation. They will try out different kind of scenarios. After trying out different kind of scenarios, they will come to the decision that this kind of scenarios may arise, and after that they will send the project to the authorities for approval. Once approved, then it will go to the execution phase of the process. So in this execution phase, the whole project will be executed and they will monitor it. It will be in the monitor. It will again, after execution phase, it will go to the monitor phase. In this monitoring phase, they will see if there is anything needs to be done, or if there is anything wrong. They are going to keep note of this, and after this monitor phase, it will go to the optimization phase, where they are going to make changes according to the record, whatever they have got during the monitor phase. Suppose something is wrong, or something can be corrected, or some new features can be added, and it will be done in the optimization phase. This BPM is an ongoing process. It will never stop. It is helping all this business of private sectors or government sectors to run smoothly, or they can improve according to the feedback they are getting from the BPM or through BPM. Next, we are going to discuss about applications of IT. There are many sectors where IT is used, and it has become one integral part. So now we'll see one by one. IT plays an important role in our day-to-day life. If you see, we can pay electricity bills, we can do mobile recharges, we can do DTH recharges from our home itself, we can book movie tickets, and for our entertainment purpose, we can watch videos, we can play games, etc. So we cannot think our life without IT nowadays. IT plays an important role in education sector. I think nowadays all of you are familiar with this online learning word. All of you are learning through these YouTube channels and all. From our school also you are learning, and you can get different contents from other YouTube channels also, and you can even get different kind of online resources which are available in different kind of websites from where you can learn. IT is also used in business and marketing. In business and marketing, they use different kind of ways like blogging, computer presentation, email communication, graphic design software, websites, or social media. So students, if you see nowadays, all the companies are having their websites by which they can give their description of their products and different kind of features of their product. All the companies are having social media accounts, or they are having Twitter handles through which they can communicate with their customers. They are having you can say, sometimes you may get emails also from those companies. If there's any kind of complaint you have raised to the company, they'll give you email regarding that. So communications are very clear nowadays through IT. IT is also used in banking sector. In banking sector, there are many things which are dependent on IT, like online banking, ATMs, different kind of banking apps, debit and credit cards. Whenever you make any transaction through debit card, through credit card, through your banking app, through online banking, everything will be get recorded in your account, and whenever you want to see, you can see it through your banking statement. All these things are possible because of IT, because it is linking your activities to your account. IT plays an important part in healthcare. Almost everywhere IT is used in case of healthcare. For example, computerized appointment with doctors, different kind of medical devices like MRI, ECG, etc. Then capturing information about patient's diagnostic process, including the clinical history and interview, physical examination and diagnostic test results, etc. And all these things are done with the help of IT. IT is also used in scientific research. Apart from the uncountable uses, computers are also used for storing large amount of data, used for research work, performing complex calculations, visualizing 3D objects, etc. So it plays a huge part in scientific research. And finally, we are going to discuss about the uses of IT in government and public services. The government uses large-scale computer applications in its daily operations. Like all of you know about Digital India, you know about Aadhaar card, you know about the different kind of websites available from government side. So everywhere they are using it. So these are some common applications of IT. There are many. So in today's class we have learned something about IT or IT industry. Please go through the PDF that I have attached in Campus Care. Please go through it and ask your doubts if you have any at the given time, and you can WhatsApp me in the given number. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.